Hi grade 3s, welcome to your last lesson of Recorded this term. Today we're going to be looking at a third piece for this half term, and it's going to be Dusty Trail, piece number 82 in your Recorder Excellence booklet. So make sure you have that booklet handy. Know where it is so that you can quickly print out the piece and have it right in front of you so that regardless of whether there's electricity or Wi-Fi, you can still practice it at home. So let's zoom into the piece, let's read the rhythm, and let's play out the Dusty Trail. Alright, so let's start off by reading the rhythm. Pretty simple rhythm. We have our quarter notes, our eighth notes, our TTs. We have a rest for one beat, and then it's pretty much the same kind of notes as we finish the piece. So let's go for it. Starting off, we have 3 beats per bar, so that means start from this G note, not from this little crotch over here. This just means every quarter note takes a beat, okay? So don't start there, don't be fooled by that. Make sure you start there. So 3 beats per bar. 1, 2, 3. Ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 rest. Ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, ah. Now, you'll notice there's a fermata right above it. So what does that mean? You can hold this last note for as long as you want. So don't take it excessively, but hold it for as long as you want. All right, so now your turn. I want you to read the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Rest. Ta, because of the fermata. Don't hold it for as long as I said it, but that's how long you can hold it for. All right, let's get to playing this thing. So, first bar. Don't be fooled by this piece. It might look simple, but it's a little bit challenging because of how many skips there are between the notes, okay? So for this first bar, we have G, then we're skipping to B, then we're skipping to D. So let's try and play that on our recorder. Nice and slow. 1, 2, 3. Again. Okay, let's go to bar 2. We have C, A, C. All right, so another skip from C to A, then back to C. So let's go for that. 3, go. Again. So a cheat code for C to A is C is just here, A you put your finger there, C you go back, okay? So C, A, C. Let's go for bar 1 and bar 2. 2, 3. Again. Bar number 4, B, B, G. Look at that big skip all the way to D. So going from B, skipping down to G, then making a big skip all the way to D. So let's try that. B, B, G, D. 2, 3. Again. Then we finish off with bar number 4, which is A, rest, and F sharp. 2, 3. Rest. Okay, so have those fingers ready. The rest also gives you more time to get your fingers in place for that F sharp. So let's do bar 4 again. Go. Rest. Let's put bar 3 in bar 4. 2, 3. Rest. Again, bar 3 and 4. Go. Rest. Let's put bar 1 all the way till bar 4 in line 1. 2, 3. Rest. Okay, and although I'm saying the rest, you don't have to say it out loud. Just say rest in your mind. So let's do the line 1 again, but this time saying the rest in our minds. 2, 3. Okay, so that's line 1. So hopefully you're getting those skips. It can be a little bit tricky, So don't be fooled by how easy the rhythm was. The notes can be a little bit hard. So let's go from line number 2. So we start on G, big skip all the way to D, and then back to a B. So G, D, B. Let's go for it. Again. This is also a good point to note. If your recorder is not sounding like mine, it's most probably you're putting the finger in the wrong place, because I'm playing the correct notes, so make sure your notes sound exactly like mine. Let's go again. G, D, B. Go. Let's put bar number 5. C, A, C. Exactly the same as bar number 2. So we can easily do that. Let's go for it. 2, 3. Again. Let's put bar number 5 and bar number 6. 2, 3. Again. So very interesting finger movements there, but make sure you practice it nice and slow so you get those finger movements right, especially from that D to the B to the C. A lot of finger moves are changing. All right, let's go for bar number 7. We have a B, G, D, D, and we'll just finish it off on a G in bar number 8. So let's try it. B, G, D, D, G. Go. Again, bar number 7 to 8. Go. Let's put the whole of line number 2 together. 2, 3. I want you to put the whole of line number 2 together. Ready? Go. One more time, line number 2 with me. Let's go. Let's put the whole piece together. Line number 1, line number 2. Nice and slow. 2, 3. One more time with me, then you by yourself. 2, 3. All right, last time, by yourself. Ready? Go. Rest. 2, 3. All right. And that's the Dusty Trail, grade 3s. All right, grade 3, so that's how you play the Dusty Trail. Not the simplest piece, but once you get used to moving your fingers from these different notes, from the skips, from the G to a B to a D, from a G to a D, back down to a B, to a C, to an A. Once you get used to all those different finger combinations, then it can become pretty easy. But the rhythm is pretty simple, but the note movements can be a little tricky. So make sure you print it out and you practice it with the sheet music in front of you, because in your assessment, you'll have the sheet music. So if you have the answers right in front of you, then you'll be able to play it well. But yet music doesn't really work like that, because you can have the answers in front of you, but if you've not practiced at home, it doesn't matter if the answers are right there, because you won't be able to play it properly. So make sure you print out the sheet music and you practice it by yourself many times. Practice it not till you get it right, but practice it till you can't get it wrong. And with that, go ahead and watch the next video so that you can see the instructions for your end term assessment. See you, grade 3s.